Okay, so good evening, guys. My name is Jacob de Carapelano, and for our first lesson, we will be discussing about conditionals and loops. So we will be making a simple calculator with an exit method. So, of course, start with using system class. Of course, our main class. String args. There. We will be using a do while loop for this calculator. So only console.write, not write line, because write line will make a new line at the bottom of our output. So we don't want that. That's stupid. String should be our actual input, our user input. I mean, so you can put a value in it. X. We'll be using an else if else statement for our conditional. str. I'll explain what's in the calculator has been stopped and break. So basically, this line of code will, if the user inputs an exit using this read line, oops, or this message will pop up, and this break will actually stop the mismong program. So makes sense. For that, else x convert, of course, because this is a calculator. So right again, this is for our second value. Convert this as well. Convert to side will be the user input. That is the main should be the add function by or show the results where there some do there bottom while true there no errors connected. Yes, so run. Oops, convert. Right, sorry. So let's say I want 7, 3 is obviously equal to 10. There, so it's to 10. If you want to exit, just type exit. Calculator's been stopped. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something about conditional loops, and see you in the next video.